Guys, how you doing? It's been a long time. All right, guys, welcome to the Excel to Apps series. This is where we convert Excel spreadsheets to apps using different tools. As you know, there are very many tools, but whichever one works for you, it's fine. We're going to be using Amazon Honeycode to do an app this time. It's going to be a timetable app for students who are getting back to school now, and stuff are beginning to open up. So we're going to get into it. So I'm going to make a timetable app. So let's quickly sign into the Honeycode. We're going to sign into Honeycode. But before you sign in, let me see some. Before you do this type of thing, you usually should have an existing CSV or a demo CSV. Sometimes you have to create it yourself, dependent on how it comes to you. Sometimes you just have to really create it yourself. Like, if someone says you should do a timetable app for them, obviously it's kind of assume you've already gone to schools in your lifetime. So this is what a timetable app would look like. So I'm going to show you the ropes on how it was created. So one thing I can tell anybody that is starting in app development, right? This stuff it's really about knowing the basics. And if there's anything you should need to know, easy app development like this, it's the ERDs. Because if you know that you can use almost any tool. As ARD is entity relationship diagrams, and it involves how entities relate to each other. It's very critical. If you know it, you can use any tool, any of these free app making tools. I'm just using Honeycode for now because, well, obviously it's new. AWS just released it recently, and we have a course on it that takes you from the ground up to know what it's like, just in case you have a job or a contract that you want to kill. So let's get into it. So right now, you can see this, right? So I'm going to go to my Honeycode drive, create a new workbook. You can see the options. Either you start from scratch. I'm going to start from scratch. Okay, import CSV. We're going to start from scratch just for the hell of it. Oh, come on. I'm going to double click on that quickly. Come on, get out. Network, my place is not too cool. So I'm just going to paste. You can paste quickly. Yeah, so look at what we have. How to unlock table view. Legacy Honeycode is upgrade all the workbooks now. Manage the data limit on table sheet. Make sure each table starts with a first evaluate workbook. One table. So what they removed that old view that was there. There was a sheet view before, but they removed it, and that's cool. Can you imagine? Did you see that? I just created a course right now. They just added a new feature. Oh my god, that's scary. I just created a course right now. This guy just added a new feature. Can you imagine that? So what are we going to take this timetable? We're going to draw workbook time. School timetable. So when you get to the course, I explain more about the relationship between workbooks and apps and automation and stuff. Let's call it time. Let's call it lessons. We're gonna call it lessons. Yep. All right. So we created an empty workbook. Going to dump some data on it directly. Going to dump domain data on it directly. I'm going to call this school timetable and go to workbook. And this just be the lessons. I will select this. You change, click on format, click on create pick list, create a pick list out of that. This lessons table for unique values in, I selected this, add it to a new column. Click on go, automatically creates a table and makes this a pick list. When I say look at that, so I'm going to rename this table classes. Okay, rename it to classes. So I'm going to add some more. Oh, no, delete this, not that. Add some more. There's ethics. Alright, but you get your drift. These are classes. I'm going to rename this table classes. I'm going to rename the column classes. I'm going to add one more last class. Or add none. It should be none. So you get what I'm going to. So I can pick none here. Because sometimes we have change this to a pick list row link, select source table, what table, classes table, and apply. So I'm going to do this for all these other tables here. Alright, so it's done. So I'm going to use build app to build your timetable app. Very easy. Lessons. Oh, no. Wrong table. Use the lessons app. Use the lessons table. And this screen name, what are we going to name it? Screen name is all this here. Let's name it timetable. Timetable. And what do you want to see? All of this. Yeah. So forgive this. So the question you're going to ask yourself, do you want to allow someone add to the timetable? Obviously not. No. So I'm going to go to settings. You can remove add form screen, and if you want to check it, this one goes out. Bye bye. Thank you very much. You want to add a detail screen. A detail screen. Not necessary right now. You want it stacked. Look at what a stacked list looks like. Look at what a stacked list looks like this. But no, you don't want that. You want something like this. So this is really cool. Column layout is really cool. And I don't want a detail screen. This is just awesome, just like this. So apply. And bam, app is ready. Bam. So I can go to this app builder here, share my app with my team members or your classmates, and boom, you're done. Happy New Year. So, and that's the end. You can go now. But I want to do something for class rep user. I want to do a new app for class rep. And we all know the class rep here is the one that updates the timetable. I don't know how about, but that's what my class rep did when I was in school, so I don't know. So I'm still going to go to the, so I'm going to name this screen, double tap, update time table. Okay, so I'm going to add, what kind of object we're going to add? I'm going to add a column list. Yes, I want to update all of these lessons. No detail, because we're going to change it. So there are options. Let's view our app. So what we're doing. So look at what it looks like for the class rep. Since it's one that will update it, we're going to make this a big list. So click on this one and turn it to a row link. Select what table, what type of source you should have, and classes. Make it editable. And now you can click on what it. Let's have a preview of what the hell we are doing. Yeah, so we can update our timetable now. So the class rep. So I'm going to do it for this one too. Editable, rolling, source, classes. Do it for this. Make it editable, rolling, source, classes. Okay. Let's have a preview. Yes, these are class reps heaven. So maybe on first semester or first session, his job is to update our timetable for us. And whenever, so we're going to share, so you can see in here we have two apps, one for the students, which is this. Look at what the students see. You share this app. We're going to share this app with the students. So share app. I click on share app. You share with the students here. Add their emails. They should be part of the team. So this is the app. They will just see, and this is for the app for your class rep. And he and only share this one with him, only him, or maybe yourself. So he and only he can update the timetable. So far, if the semester changes and we want to have music every time, music should be the first class. Look on the class rep's perspective. She's the only one that can update it. Oh, this is the student perspective. Click on the class reps. It's the class reps app, yeah. So they say what we should be doing music on music. So when the students check their app, boom, all they get is music for the next semester, and everybody's happy. So I hope you've learned something new. I hope it's been valuable to you. If you want to learn more like this, maybe you really should subscribe now. I don't know. Maybe you really should subscribe and watch out for more videos to learn more about turning your spreadsheets to apps and making your life easier. Alright, bye bye. Love you. Take care of yourself.